see.
Yeah, this one pulled through, like I said. I just worried about this one being bent a bit right here. We'll see. We get it off. That one looks. We'll see. And then I can't believe that one actually broke the support, but that's. Let's see. We'll see what the panel's like under it. That's all.
This guy will hold up. If this wasn't here, it'd be more of a problem, but this is here, so they have like the whole big piece of sheet.
Yeah, I'm worried about the long panels. That's all.
Yeah.
Under them.
Oh yeah, these guys will be good. When there's so many like that, if they don't have anywhere to go really to bend, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
When they're all wrapped up tight.
Yeah, just broke that one support. As you can see, it's up in the top and down here.
Always fun.
Nah. Now we can see the whole thing's pushed over again. Show it from the other side. Noticed in the middle you can see along there how it's pushed in. Hopefully it'll be one piece, but show you guys right off the bat.